Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, delicious Fritos Chili Pie. Delicious. And follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to start out by putting your... Okay. Want to put a little bit of black olives in here. Well, next I want to do is put a little bit of cheese. Okay, next all your chips into this. Okay, next you want to put another layer on top of it. Start over. And we're just going to start this process. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven for about 350 for about 19 or 20 minutes or longer until all this melts. And okay, now we're going to pull this out of the oven, or pull it off and take it out. Take a look at that. Now we are going to first put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on there, and then we're going to pop this back in the oven for just a little bit longer, and then we're going to serve this. I just want to kind of get a little bit more darker brown in it. Okay, we just now pull this right back out of the oven, and we're going to do, let's take this on this, but first we're going to cut us a slice of this. It's very hot, so I gotta be careful. It's not much of a... Okay, this staying hot, but we're gonna do is a taste test on this anyways. Look at that. So cheesy. Oh my god, this is so delicious. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.